Hey guys, I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let us have the review of MI 360-degree camera. So let's get started. I've actually unboxed this camera before 2 years itself. I have not yet watched the unboxing video, so I'll have the cards or I'll also drop a link in the description below. Please do check it out. So this is the detailed full review of this 360-degree camera. In this video, I'll be covering the performance, battery life, app connectivity along with some sample photos and videos captured using this camera. Starting off with the physical overview. On the top we have got mic, power button, Wi-Fi button, record button and again mic. So on top we have got two mics on either side. Moving on to the bottom. On the bottom we have got mount for mounting tripod or selfie stick. On the side we have got micro SD card slot and USB port for charging. Now let's have a closer look at the camera. Now coming to the lens, so they have used Sony IMX206 sensor. So on the front side we actually don't have anything. It's actually plain. Moving on to the back side. On the back side, as you can see, we have got a small logo over here. So from this angle if we see, the buttons are actually upside down, whereas from the other plain side if we see, the buttons are actually in correct order. So whoever picks the camera first, they might think that this is actually the front side of the camera, but it is actually not the front side, it is actually the back side. This is kind of weird. I don't know why they have given that logo only on the back side. So if they had given that logo on both the sides, it wouldn't have been an issue. Along with this camera, we also get USB cable, tripod and small pouch for keeping the camera. So taking a closer look at this tripod, it's actually small and compact, and this tripod is actually very convenient to hold in the hand also. Before powering on this camera, let's quickly have the specification of this device. It has got Sony IMX206 image sensor, 3-axis gyroscope and accelerometer, electronic image stabilization, real-time live streaming at HD resolution. This camera can shoot videos at a maximum resolution of 3840 into 1920, which is close to 4K. It can shoot photos up to a maximum resolution of 1912 into 3456. Comes with 1600 mAh battery. Okay, now let's turn on this camera. For powering it on, we have to just press the power button once and we get this blue color notification light over here. So as I mentioned before, this is actually the front side. The notification light actually comes only on this side. On the back side, we actually don't get any notification lights. For toggling between photo mode and video mode, we have to just press the power button. So for turning off the camera, we have to just hold the power button for 3 seconds. And the camera turns off. Both while turning on and turning off, we actually get this light and sound notification. Now let's have a look at the camera application. We have to download MI Sphere application from the Play Store or App Store. Once we have installed it in our mobile phone, open your MI Sphere application and now turn on the Wi-Fi on your camera. Then open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile and connect to the camera. We can actually take photos and videos without connecting the camera to the phone, but by connecting the camera to the phone, there are actually many advantages. As I mentioned before, we get real-time live streaming. Next, we can actually download photos and videos directly from the camera to our mobile phone. We need not be taking the camera and connecting it to the PC, or need not be removing the micro SD card slot at all. We can actually download it in our phone itself, so that actually saves a lot of time. Then apart from that, we can also format the SD card from the application itself. For example, if this application did not have the option for formatting the SD card, so once I remove the SD card and I connect it to my computer and format it, and in case if I don't insert the SD card again in my camera, and next day I go for shooting something, and once I go and find that my card is not in the camera, it will be a big headache. We need not face all those problems, so we have this application, so no need to worry about anything. We need not actually remove the memory card itself. Then in the application, we also have the option for controlling the notification sound. Options like 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Or if you all feel that you don't want that notification sound, you can actually turn it off. We can capture slow motion, time-lapse, short videos only from the application. Then the most important thing, we can actually control the camera's manual setting with the camera application only. So this camera application is actually fully loaded. So for this camera application, W thumbs up. Coming to the shooting modes, there are actually 3 modes: short video, time lapse and slow motion. For short video, we have timer options such as 10, 20 and 30 seconds. For time lapse, we have 0.5, 1, 2, 5, 10, 30 and 60 seconds. And for slow motion, we have 2, 4 and 8 times. For both photos and videos, we actually have spherical, flat, tiny planet, crystal and pano. Let's now take a look at some of the photos and videos captured using this camera. Hello guys, I am Jagath and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel or you all have watched my previous videos and have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Coming to the performance of this camera, performance of the camera is actually very good. It's actually small and compact, easy to use. While using with the selfie stick actually becomes invisible. So the camera actually gets seated up pretty quickly. So if the camera is actually turned on for 5 minutes itself, the camera actually gets seated up. So we can't even actually touch the camera. Then next thing, if you see, the battery actually drains pretty quickly for videos. For both photos and videos, I got around 40 minutes. If you all ask, can we use this camera for vlogging? I would say yes, we can use this camera for vlogging. We can get some amazing shots, there's no doubt in it. So the camera also has got 2 mics on top. The audio quality is actually very good in that camera. While shooting in outdoor conditions, we may actually get the wind noise in the camera. We actually place some sponge or something over the camera, the audio quality would be much more better. Battery actually drains pretty quickly and it also gets heated up if the camera is actually turned on for more than 5 minutes. For a small video and all, you can easily vlog in. But if you are going to use it for full day, then at that time it can be a little bit tricky, but we have to plan accordingly to that. This camera will be very useful when we are with a group of people. When we need to take a photo using our mobiles, yes, we can use wide angle and take the photo. Even with wide angle, it cover only to certain extent, but with this 360-degree camera, it will cover the whole area and everyone will be in the frame. And the next thing, the photo quality will also be great. Okay guys, with this let's finish off this video. Like, share and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Tata and bye bye.